Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. Today we are going to discuss about Bohr's atomic model. He explains how electron revolves around the nucleus, origin of lines in hydrogen, and to overcome the defects in Rutherford's model, Niels Bohr proposed this model, that is Bohr's atomic model. What is the defect in Rutherford's model is that when electron revolves around the nucleus in continuous motion, it should fall into the nucleus. But it is not happening. Why it is not happening? Rutherford couldn't explain. Later, Niels Bohr proposed this model to explain the drawback of Rutherford's model. For that, he given some postulates. First one is the electron in the hydrogen atom revolves around the nucleus with definite velocity in fixed closed circular paths called orbits or cells. When electron revolves around the nucleus in fixed velocity, closed paths called orbits or cells. These are designated as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. or KLMN. These are the orbits or cells. The electron revolves in the orbit whose angular momentum is equals to nh by 2 phi. When electron revolves around the nucleus, it has some mass and velocity. When electron moving around the nucleus, it has some radius. Means whenever it is moving around the nucleus, moving with some angle or radius, it is denoted as R. MVR equals to nh by 2 phi. Next one is each orbit is associated with a definite amount of energy. So these are called as energy levels or energy states. Each orbit has definite amount of energy, means if take this orbit, it has different amount of energy. This orbit also different amount of energy, means each orbit has definite amount of energy, means different energy levels has different amount of energy. These energy levels, these are called as energy levels or energy states. Next one is the energy of electron doesn't change as long as the electron revolves in the orbit. These orbits called as stationary orbits or stationary states. When electron revolves around the nucleus in a particular orbit or circular orbit, it won't gain electron or it won't lose energy. Not electron, right? Not electron. When electron revolves around the nucleus, it won't lose energy or it won't gain energy. Means neither lose energy nor gain energy. So these energy levels called as stationary orbits or stationary states. The energy of electron changes when electron moves from one orbit to other. The energy changes when electron jumps from one energy level to other energy level, then only energy changes. Otherwise, when electron revolves around the nucleus, no energy loss or gain. If the energy is absorbed when electron jumps from low energy to high energy state. When energy is absorbed, electron jumps from low energy to higher energy. When energy is released, when electron jumps from high energy to lower energy. The change in energy is given by the formula delta is equals to E2 minus E1. E is equals to h nu. The centripetal force on the electron is balanced by centrifugal force. Means if take an atom, electron is present, electrostatic force present between nucleus and electron. Centripetal force is balanced by electrostatic force between nucleus and electron. These are the postulates. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.